There's Splash Mountain, so...
Good day, Judges and Travel. Welcome to another adventure at Splash Mountain. Here's the ride. That's too weak. Much better. Also, please like and subscribe to our channel. Here we are at Splash Mountain at Tokyo Disneyland. Now check this place out. Isn't it wonderful?
Alright. Slash Mountain entrance. Here.
Come on in, Judges and Travel. Let's go. Alright, Judges and Travel, we got a fast pass and we're gonna skip the long lines. Now check that out. That's a long line. Anyhow, let's get in there and make our way to Slash Mountain POV ride.
Let's do this. Oh no! Oh! Uh-oh. Oh, Jedi! Oh, hi. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, you're too late, Jedi. We got you now. There we go. Oh, my back. Yeah, you pose. Do the picture pose. Wow, that's cool. Yeehaw!
It's like a river,
We're coming up! We're coming up! Wow, look at that view! Choo-hoo! Oh, look at that line! Hi guys! Oh boy! Oh, there's a going down! Are you ready, Jen? Oh! Uh-oh. 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 Here we go. All right, here we go. Oh! 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 Whoa! Cool. Oh, that looks good.
fun, and you'll find yours we know, ho ho. Everybody's got a laughing place to go, ho ho. Take a frown, turn it upside down, and you'll find yours we say, ho ho. 'Cause soon you'll find you're here to stay. Hee 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 hee, ho ho ho.
자기가 나부터 참여해라 여기 다니는다는 비비스가 많이 있는데 거기서 미션이 있대 그러니까
Alright, ready? Oh, that's a lot of beef. Uh-oh, there's another drop. Whoa! Uh-oh. Oh boy. Hands up, do your pose. Uh-oh, oh boy. Yeah! Who got wet? I'm dry. Woo, that was fun. What was your pose? What was you guys' pose? I did this. You guys had fun? Oh, my back hurts on that one. This is always the best ride, in my opinion.
Are you good? Yeah. That was fun.
You know, Space Mountain?
Space Mountain is crazy. Oh yeah, I thought this was so terrifying though.
When nothing can beat it in the dark. Nothing can beat it in the
Oh, wow.
dark.
Is Grandma's kitchen? Is Grandma's kitchen?
Yeah.
Right there?
The Indiana Jones is more.
I actually don't like it.
What?
Yeah, only because it was like pigs and birds.
Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.